If you found my videos helpful, then please share my videos with your friends. 10 most asked WebSphere FAQ. WebSphere is a set of Java-based tools from IBM that allows customers to create and manage business websites. The central WebSphere tool is the WebSphere Application Server (WAAS), an application server that a customer can use to connect website user with Java application or servlets. Ports you use to use WebSphere application sphere. The default ports you used are HTTP 9080 and HTTP 9443. Features available in WebSphere. Some of the features available in WebSphere includes it supports the servlet JSP container functionality that runs on top of HTTP. It supports HTTP servers as IBM HTTP server, Netscape iPlanet server, supports Java server pages, HTML pages, servlet, and XML. It supports EJB component model and workload management. WebSphere is MQ. WebSphere MQ is an application program that allows you to communicate with each other using messages and queues. This form of communication is referred to as commercial messaging. There are two methods for application to communicate: request response and fire and forget. WebSphere. WebSphere is a tool based on Java and developed by IBM. To manage and create websites, WebSphere is often used to build interactive web-oriented applications that support business functions required for e-commerce. It integrates all the data across different operating systems and applications. WebSphere or application server clustering work. A WebSphere web server plugin component routes requests to WebSphere cluster web containers. If there is a communication failure with a particular cluster member, it will mark that member down and start routing all requests to the remaining cluster member till the original is available. Type of files are required to deploy an application into WebSphere. WAR or EAR files are required to deploy an application into WebSphere. Asymmetric clustering in WebSphere. In asymmetric clustering, the partition can be defined dynamically and runs on a single cluster at a time. The task which is particular to an appropriate cluster can be routed to that cluster. Usually, clustering is used by banks. Cell in WebSphere. A cell is referred as a grouping of nodes into a single administrative domain. A cell can have multiple nodes which are all managed by a single point. Important component of WebSphere. Important components of WebSphere are WebSphere Application Server or WAS. It connects the website user with Java Servlet. Data Server for data persistence. Web Server. It provides the service of HTTP. Web Sphere Application Server contact the registry for user information. WebSphere Application Server contact the registry for user when users check the user password, maps certificate information to a user ID, converts user ID to registry unique ID, obtains group information. If you found my videos helpful, then please share my videos with your friends. Share this video with your friends. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos.